right. Hurricane Harvey. Ooh, I can't see. Look.
Hey, I just want to put it.
All right, Mom, Mother. Look at that.
Okay. That's the thing I was worried about.
Ooh, it's far.
Taylor.
Huh?
Put that back up in there, baby.
Oh, okay.
And
Okay. Wait, it's still fog. Okay. In the zoo. We all see water on these streets. Flooding everywhere.
You want to pull it up here, or you gonna take it to the school? Walks in the water like, screw it, I'm gonna get wet anyway.
All right, we'll be back with more updates. You want to say something?
Y'all, okay, so we built here 12 years ago in July. Okay, we have never ever flooded at all. Hurricane. Why is water coming through my umbrella?
What are you talking about? Like,
something hit me in my face.
Well, yeah, the water that's in the front.
Oh. So anyway, Hurricane Harvey ain't playing. And we knew it. It was gonna be. They said it was.
Oh, please don't drive fast. Please don't drive fast.
Oh, but they tried to go forward instead of going backwards. Because that other person went backwards.
Yeah, that was dumb.
Yeah. What is it doing? Huh?
We're at the beach. It's a good eye to be at the beach.
Yeah. We have a beach in our front yard.
Storms are brewing.
Oceanfront property.
oh, the school. We're parking over by the school over there.
Oceanfront property for sale. The oceanfront property for sale. Girl, I think I just saw my newspaper.
Alright. I don't know. Hold on. Alright. So they're currently trying to get this car into the driveway. And we're trying to get that car too. It's even higher up.
Alright. Alright, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see good. All this water out here is starting to rain again. Woo! I almost fell. But, let me wipe the lens. Okay, this is Hurricane Harvey at its finest, y'all. This is this is Sunday, and we had a lot of flooding on our street, as you can see. And I don't know, but thank God that, you know, it almost brings tears to my eyes to see our street working together like this. But y'all, even the people on the other side of the fence, golly, I don't know if y'all can see or not. I'm trying to.
The water's going down. So they're tearing that fence down over there.
All right. So they're tearing that fence down because that fence was almost like a dam for us, and it was holding all this water in. And they're tearing it down, and that water is starting to flow out of our yards, y'all. We were actually trapped up in here. Who you on the phone with? Where's that? Yeah. They got power tools down there, and they're actually flushing that water out. They took that whole damn thing down. So, wow. Let me see if I can get a close-up. I know it's so foggy. Let me see if I can get this to work right. Go back in the house for a sec.
You see?
I hope I didn't ruin my camera. No, I don't think I did. Okay, it's just the humidity out here. So let me show you guys again if I can before it gets too foggy again. That area, that fence area was fencing all this damn water in, excuse my language. But we're actually getting it all taken care of. All the guys on the street are coming together. And did you see if the water went down some more on the driveway?
Not that, well, yeah, it went like where the sidewalk is, it's like a little bit.
Okay. And that's what the deal is, like we live in a cul-de-sac.
The water ain't going nowhere.
Okay, let me clean the lens again. So yeah, oh yeah, I took my hair out. See my hair? Took those braids out, those tired. Y'all, we're at it again. The water went down. We're hoping that if it rises high enough that it will go down. That it will go over into that field over there. That you see that circle right there on that pole? Yesterday the water was above that. Today it was way below that, and now it's rising again because it's been raining constantly all day. I'm waiting for Earl. Luckily we didn't move the cars back. We couldn't, the rain is just so crazy, but I'm waiting for Earl. He actually went to work today in this area. He couldn't go to his normal office, and he's on his way home, and Jordan went out to greet him with the umbrella and try to help him because he had some bags and stuff that he packed. So here they come. There's Jordan holding up his pants with his mama's water shoes on. And there's the husband. Spider?
Wasp. And it felt good.
He didn't change. He left his jeans on. Okay. I'll take that. Alright. What a way to come home, huh? Okay. Here, just put it over here. Here, lay it up against there.
What do you think, bud?
Okay. Take them off. You got on my water shoes. Hurt. Alright, we got towels here. Just hand me your bag.
I'll take the coat off first.
Huh? Take your coat off first. Alright.
Shows you the slow movement of storm.
Prop that door open.
Alright. Places like Pearland. It has been raining for most of the day. You're right on the edge of that rain. It's not that the rain is moving in, it's that the rain is developing right over you. And why does it keep developing over the same spot? Because you're just north of that circulation, which is to the south, and Harvey continues to pump moisture all across our area. I expect the rain to continue for much of the overnight hours tonight, gradually letting up Friday and Tuesday. Right now, you can see on a future track radar, heavy showers continuing at least to the 7 p.m. hour. But watch as we go into the overnight. You'll see how the radar kind of fills in here and basically keeps us wet through most of the evening, from 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, and finally by early in the morning, we may get a little bit of a break if Harvey continues to track. But on top of the rain that has already fallen, there's a potential here for us to get another 8 to 12 inches of rain. Again, that is on top of the 3 to 6 inches of rain that some of you have seen today. That 8 to 12 inches covers most of Houston, to the east into Liberty County, Chambers County, now pushing in toward Beaumont because the track of Harvey gradually takes it off to the east. From Houston to the southwest, 4 to 8 inches of rain. To the north of Houston, the rainfall.
You stop.
Okay, that's enough. Alright, y'all, we're at the grocery store. It's not too bad. It's just like you see on the news. There's a line. We sent Jordan to go get a basket. I guess he's coming. But yeah, what does it say here? What does it say? Shoppers, these are the limits on the following items: 1 milk, 2 bread products, 2 water products, and 1 egg. Did you? Okay. Hey, let's wait on Jordan. Here, just get a basket, I guess. You think? You stay here and then wait for him to